Hey, Brian. All right, here's your 539. Sitting on my 48. Testing and adjustment went real easy, real well. No leaks. No runs, no errors. Look down inside. You can see she's nice and dry down in there. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Yes, sir. All right, we'll look down inside again. And you can see that the float is set correctly. There's no dripping. All right, let's look at some numbers. Currently idling at, back out. About 660 RPM. Fuel pressure is at a little under 3, about 2.8. Vacuum is 23. Looking real good. Alrighty, well, let's pull her through a couple times. See how she does. No stumble. That means I got something right. All right, sir. I think you'll like this one too. Thanks.